What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually going to be cooking up some of that fish that we caught the other day with Brandon. We're going to be doing it southern style, which is frying it. I've never really fried fish. I fried fish one time before, so I had a practice trial at this about like 4 months ago. I did tilapia. I actually took one of Heath's recipes that he told me to try. This Aunt Jemima. And you're gonna mix it with actually mustard, which the first time I tried it, I did honey mustard because I thought, you know, I'd spaz it up. There you go, Gina. I'd spice it up with a different kind of mustard, but he's like, no, just do it with yellow mustard next time. It'll taste way better. I'm not 100% confident, mainly because I can cook things, I just can't do fish. Well, I can do fish. I can do fish on a grill. I never fry anything. Oh yeah, that grease is hot. Now we do have catfish and we do have white bass or sandies. Let's do a plate. I feel like a plate will go a lot easier. We need some mustard. 1 plate of mustard. I feel like I'm painting. I'm Picasso. Dump some of this out onto a plate. Okay. So now we're just gonna be doing a little double dipping. Make sure it gets all up in there. There we go. And throw it in there. Woo! Look at that. Oh God. Alright, alright. I think our grease is too hot. Oh gosh. Now he's just falling around in there. Alright, he's just cooking away. It smells good. I think it's done. Alright. Let's try that again. He told me a certain temperature. Was it in the 300s or the 400s?
What's up?
Yo, so quick question for you.
Yeah.
On cooking fish, what temperature does your grease have to be at?
I mean, about 360-ish.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure. Alright, sounds good.
Man.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. 470 degrees, alright. Is this grease still good? Do we keep cooking? Do we start over? We're gonna start over. We were at like 470 something, and he said 350. Which is probably why my piece of fish looks like a moon rock. I'm still gonna eat it. It's partially cooked and partially not. Yeah. Nope. In the meantime, I could get everything ready while our grease gets hot. Again, painting it on. I'm talking like I've done this before. I did it once, but I don't know what I'm doing. Clearly. I almost started the kitchen fire. Hey Alexa, add mustard to the shopping list.
You already have mustard on your shopping list.
Well, I want more!
Mustard added to your shopping list.
Kayla's gonna look at this list and be like, why is mustard on here 9 times? Because, Kayla, we're cooking. We're cooking with mustard. Do I have to come down here? Should I stand like this? I feel like this is the danger zone. Take 2. All right. Ah! I'm hit. Now how do you get them out? So grab some tongs. Aren't you supposed to put it, like, take a towel over it or something like that? There. Don't worry, fellas, I'm coming. Look at those golden crispies. But that worked out a lot better. Okay, now shut this death trap off. Should we do the catfish? I mean, do you cook catfish the same way? Did you just fart? I just got pooped on. Pooped and walked away. Just like, and walked away. Well, remember that. Alright, I think I'm gonna cook the rest. You guys know any good catfish recipes? I don't know what I'm doing. He said this is good for sandies and stuff, and crappie. She's a slow cooker now. She's like blah blah. She sank right to the bottom like the Titanic. Oh God. I just realized, is Titanic jokes okay? Do you make Titanic jokes? I don't know. I mean, where's all this water coming from? That's all water. That's all fish water. Oops. So as you see, my bag kind of flopped over, and
I've added Mom to your shopping list.
thank you. And got a nice fish water going on right now. I mean, I almost died. Well, now I have to cook these ones. I legit almost died. And coming! I don't think I did half bad. Like, some of the pieces look really scrumptious. Like that looks like chicken. Look at that. Chicken of the sea. That looks like a chicken tender. A little golden nugget. Alright. Not bad. Worth demolishing my kitchen? Further testing needed. Better than crawfish? Yeah. I had crawfish for the first time the other day, and I didn't know you're supposed to de-poop them. I was eating that. I was like 7 into it before someone looked at me and said, "Bud, are you eating the dark line?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm eating the dark line." But apparently you're supposed to de-poop them. Didn't know that. So, it was a learning experience. I ate what he ate. What's he eat? Dirt? That flavor switched up tremendously when I took out the poop. Or the intestine line, whatever you want to call it. The poop line, the dark line. Shrimp have the same thing. But then they were eating the dark line with the shrimp. So, I asked him now, I was like, so is there a difference between the shrimp and the crawfish poop? Because you're not taking out the dark line on the shrimp. He said, no, you're not. You eat those. But this ain't bad. This is pretty dang good. I don't know. On my fish scale, maybe a 6, 6.5. I mean, I cooked it. We're not getting into the 7s. No way. If I cooked it, we're right at 7 max with fish. Let me know if you guys have any spicy, like, I want to get this fish hot. Like, take a bite of it and be like a hot wing. Any recipes for that? Let me know if you guys want to see me do any more catch, clean, cook, stuff like that. I'll cook anything. You name it, I'll cook it. I'll put it on the grill. I'll go, you want a squirrel? I'll go get a squirrel. You want me to cook up a snake? I ain't gonna cook a snake. I'm not. Nope. Not gonna do it. Don't care how many likes, don't care. Won't go near a snake. But anything else, I'll cook it, I'll eat it, I'll try it. Alright guys, so till next time, I'll catch you guys out on the line next. Or what's my outro? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys out on the line next time. Alright, cool. That was a good video. Nah, imagine that.